Om Dhanvantare Namaha. Namaste everyone. I am Dr. Sumitra Patil from the city of Belgaum in Karnataka state. I am an Ayurvedic doctor practicing from more than 30 years in Belgaum city. Today we are passing through a very crucial period of the pandemic disease COVID-19 or corona, and to maintain the health of the person and to be safe is the challenge of the day, and we can achieve this by following the Ayurvedic advice. In Ayurveda we come across a chapter known as the Janapadodvamsa Rogas, wherein they have described so many pandemic diseases, the reason for that, and the lakshanas and everything about those diseases. Like you might have heard long back in 1930s, plague, cholera, and smallpox, so many diseases were we had heard, and this is also COVID-19 or corona is also one type of pandemic disease. So today in this video I want to share you some important things regarding how to be safe and maintain our good health. Ayurveda main aim is Swasthasya Swastha Rakshana and Aturasya Vikara Shamana. Swasthasya Swastha Rakshana means to do the Rakshana of the Swasthya of a Swastha person. That means to maintain the health of a healthy person, and secondly to treat the diseased person. So the question comes, how to maintain the health of a healthy person. Any type of disease to occur in the body, the immune system is very much plays an important role in the body, and they have told so many things how to boost our immunity or strengthen our immunity, which is called as Vyadhikshamatva in Ayurveda. The body is made up of three doshas, saptadhatus, malas, agni, and all those things, and the equilibrium of these things will lead to a healthy life, and the non-equilibrium or the vitiation of these things will lead to a diseased condition. So to maintain the health of a healthy person, we must do something to boost our immunity. We come across this Vyadhikshamatva is of two types. One is Sahaja, that is constitutional, which will come from the birth, and second one is acquired, which will come from the time, say for example seasons and age. For example, the winter season and the young age gives more strength to the body, and we observe loss of the strength of the body during the summer and old age. And the Yuktikrata immunity is there, which come under the acquired immunity, which can be achieved by practicing Ayurveda related to Ahara and Vihara and exercises. Even the good health or the immunity can be boosted by consuming the Rasayana and Vajikarna Dravyas in day-to-day practice. In Ayurveda, they have considered three important things are like Ahara, Nidra, and the Brahmacharya. Very important. They have compared this to the legs of the stool, like Traya Upasthamba. So they are very much important to maintain the health of the body, and one must be very much cautious regarding these things. Nowadays everybody is in lockdown condition, and their total healthy lifestyle has been totally changed, and they keep on munching the things, munching something or the other all the time, and which will lead to the indigestion and hyperacidity, and without feeling hungry they will eat, and this also will lead to the formation of the indigestion, and it will form a chyle in the stomach which is known as the ama, and which is the basis of all the diseases. So one has to be very much careful regarding the ahara. So they have described the ahara and vihara in Ayurveda. Regarding the ahara, they have told one should eat the shadrasatmaka ahara and hita ahara. Hita ahara means the one which is beneficial to the body. That is why our food should be having more of vegetables and fruits, and more of liquids, fruit juices, milk, buttermilk, so many things. Even while eating also, regarding the quantity, they have told that the stomach is made up of 4 parts, 2 parts of which is should be filled with solid food, and 1 part by the liquids like water, milk, buttermilk, gruel, ghee, all those such things, and 1 part should be kept empty, so that the digestion will take place very easily. No amarasa is formed. And even they have told that to eat the fresh food, the food should be consumed before 1 prahara, that is 48 minutes to 1 hour after the preparation. That will give the bala to the body and increase the immunity power. And regarding the nidra, they have told one should get the adequate sleep. Nowadays, due to the lifestyle, they sleep very late in the night and get up very late in the morning, and they take very less sleep. The sleep is very much disturbed, and as a result, their immune system is at defect. It will become very much weak. So they will get the alteration in the, or they will get the vitiation of doshas and dhatus. The basic parameters of the body are vitiated, and they will easily become the victims of the diseases. Then coming to the nidra, one more thing they have told that we have to go early to the bed and get up early in the morning, preferably in the Brahmi Muhurta. If not in the Brahmi Muhurta, then it is better to put a habit to get early in the morning before the sunrise. That will also maintain the health. And go for a walk or exercise, do the yogasanas, meditations, and all those things. If you are not allowed to go out and do the walking, but anyway, you must keep yourself very active. Then lastly, they have told about the brahmacharya in the Traya Upastambha, which plays also a very important role. Brahmacharya means here we have to take it as the control over all the senses. The person who can control all the senses and who can experience the spiritual bliss, that is known as the brahmacharya. It will, by doing the meditation, it will improve the concentration and focus of the mind, and which will give the tremendous strength to the mind and in turn to the body, because a sound mind in a sound body, they say. So in order to maintain our one's own health, we must follow the Ayurvedic way of life. They have described the dinacharya, rutucharyas, and what to eat, what not to eat, ahara and vihara, the behavior of a person in the society, in the house, in the nearby surroundings, everything. One has to follow all these rules so that his immune system will be boosted and it will remain in a full strength. Then I want to conclude by listing all these things in a brief manner. The first and foremost thing is avoid going into the crowd, that is social distancing, and even you have to maintain the physical distance also from person to person. Then you keep a habit of drinking hot water at least once in the morning and while going to the bed. That will take care of your ama, and you will remain in good condition, good health. And keep the habit of drinking the decoction prepared by the spices available in our kitchen, like dhania, jeera, haldi, ardrak, cinnamon, clove, pepper, honey, and all those tulsi, all those things. It will boost your immunity definitely. And even we can boost your immunity by taking the rasayanas like chawanprasha and amalki churna, trifala churna, etc. And taking at least the Suvarna Bhasma along with the Vayasthapana drugs like Amalki, Haritaki, Shatavari, Punarnava, Aparajita, and Amruta will boost the immunity definitely. And lastly, one should have the habit of doing daily the yogasanas which will stretch the muscles and maintain the muscle tone, and the pranayama followed by the pranayama, which by doing which we'll get more oxygen to the body, our respiratory system will become very strong, and followed by the meditation which will give the more strength to the mind and the body. And by following all these things, one can maintain the health and be strong and fight against any type of pandemic disease or any type of virus or infection. Thank you.